I'm the ISS, the International Space Station. 1998 was the year that begun my construction. I make multiple orbits around the Earth every day. Let's learn more about my history as we orbit in space. I fly around the world every 90 minutes. I orbit the Earth 16 times in 24 hours, that's legit. I'm 357 feet long from end to end. Am I? After the moon, I'm the second brightest object in your sky. I have 2 bathrooms on board, there's also 1 gym. I have 6 sleeping quarters and 6 spaceship docks for the win. Here's a brief history about how I came to be. Pay attention to my incredible collaborative construction story. The idea of the space station was science fiction until the 1940s. The structure might be built by many nations. In the 1950s, designs of spaceships and space stations began to develop. With the beginning of the space age and it gained traction. The first rudimentary station was created in 1969 by the linking of 2 Russian Soyuz vehicles in line. In 1984, the US President Ronald Reagan told NASA to build the ISS for many nations. Then in 1998, the construction had begun of the only International Space Station. That year, the first segment of the ISS launched in November 20th by the Russian Proton rocket named Zarya. It's no myth. The Unity node from the US launched December 4th by the Space Shuttle Endeavour, set it on its course. The Endeavour met Zarya in orbit with the Unity node to make the first connection with the Russian segment, you know. In the year 2000, the first crew to man the space shuttle adrift was Bill Shepard, Yuri Gitsenko, and Sergei Krikalev. The US lab module was added in 2001. Then the European and Japanese lab joined in 2008, and we're not done. The ISS consists of 50 nations: Canada, Japan, and the Russian Federation, the United States, and the European Space Agency. They are Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, and Italy, the Netherlands, Norway, Spain, and Sweden, Switzerland, and the famed United Kingdom. Maybe you will have the chance to visit me someday and be another part of the ISS and its history. I'm the ISS, the International Space Station. 1998 was the year that begun my construction. I make multiple orbits around the Earth every day. Let's learn more about my history as we orbit in space.